guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and log into one of my affiliate accounts to see what we actually did today. I'm here at my Thrivecart affiliate account. I made $354.60 in 24 hours by simply just sending emails. Now, in this video today, I'm going to actually show you 3 different things that you need to learn and perfect if you want to start generating hundreds of dollars every single day by sending emails. What's up, guys? John from JohnMcNeil.com here. In this video today, I'm actually going to be breaking down 3 different things that you need to do in your affiliate marketing business if you want to produce hundreds of dollars a day. Now, if you get any value from this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel and go ahead and join the tribe. We are amassing a lot of people here on this John McNeil channel that wants to go on this journey with us, this email marketing journey of just creating wealth with sending emails. So let's go ahead and jump into the first thing that you're going to need in order to actually start creating hundreds of dollars a day with your affiliate marketing campaign. And that first thing is you're going to need a optimal squeeze page. Now we're talking about a squeeze page that's going to convert somewhere between 40 to 50%, so that when you're actually sending traffic to that page, you're going to be able to get as many leads through that actual funnel as possible. Now, I've talked about squeeze pages on this channel before. I've actually made a recent video and I show an example of a page that I'm getting 50% opt-in rates at. So some tips that I would actually give you guys when you're creating your actual squeeze pages is, number 1, I would definitely make the page as simple as possible. So if you're running traffic to this page, you don't want it to make it too elaborate. You don't want to put anything on the page that would actually make the person not want to opt in. You also want to have a hint of curiosity when it comes to your squeeze pages. You want to get them to think about, like, what is on the other side of this squeeze page. So when you're thinking about your headline or you're thinking about what you're actually going to put on that actual squeeze page, think to yourself, like, what would make me want to opt into the page to go and find out more information about what's actually going on. Another great thing that you can put on squeeze pages is actual social proof. So you can have social proof of people, of income earnings, or whatever it might be. I might have social proof of an opt-in page and showing how an opt-in page is generating me 50% leads in terms of its conversions. So all of those things will play into you getting a great opt-in rate to your actual squeeze page. The second thing that you're going to need is you're going to need quality traffic. Now, again, we've talked about traffic a lot on this channel here, and the traffic that I'm currently using in my business primarily is solo ads. And the reason why I like solo ads is it's very easy. You don't have to be any type of guru to get solo ad traffic. The main thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you're buying solos from a reputable solo ad vendor that's going to give you quality results. I mean, I'm buying from a solo ad vendor now that every time I actually purchase an order from the solo ad vendor, they actually will never utilize the same leads. Like, they make sure that I get fresh eyeballs on every single offer that I'm sending. So every time I run this traffic, I'm getting fresh, responsive leads hitting my squeeze page and seeing my actual offers. Now, a few months back, I actually did a video on the best solo ad vendors that I'm using now. I actually went through and detailed 3 solo ad vendors specifically that are sending me great traffic, where I'm getting quality leads. These leads are opening, they are clicking, and they are absolutely buying, as you can actually see from the results earlier. So again, I will link that video in the description below so you can actually check out those vendors. And I highly recommend that you guys utilize those solo ad vendors for your actual campaign. Last but definitely not least is the actual offer that you're going to be promoting. So when you're actually promoting an offer, you want to make sure that offer has some sort of irresistible draw to that offer. So there's tons of affiliate marketing products, there's tons of programs and services that are out there. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that the product that you're promoting is a quality product. You want to make sure that it has a irresistible offer. And as an affiliate, it doesn't hurt if you're getting a really good high percent in terms of your affiliate commissions. In our industry, typically you can get anything between 10% and 50% in terms of affiliate commissions. Most of you guys, if you're doing Warrior Plus and you're doing ClickBank and some of these other networks in the Make Money Online niche, typically it's going to be 50%. But there are some other private affiliate networks out there that you can actually get more than 50%. So the offer that I'm actually promoting right now that you saw me generate the $354, I'm actually getting a 90% affiliate commission. It's 90%. And some of you guys may think, well, that's crazy, but the person that's actually generating the offer, that's the owner of the offer, they're getting buyer's leads, right? They're getting buyer's leads that are already proven to buy mid-ticket. And that owner obviously is going to have high-end offers for those people that are going to be selling those people on the back end. But the point I'm trying to get you guys to see is that it doesn't hurt to get the high affiliate commissions on the front end. And you can find some of these even still like within Warrior Plus. Sometimes they'll give you 100% commissions throughout the whole funnel. It just kind of depends. And really what those people are trying to do when they're giving these large percents of commissions, what they're trying to do is they're trying to build their buyers list, because guys, the buyers list is where it's all at. And what you guys need to be doing is you need to be driving as much traffic as possible to your squeeze pages. You need to be selling offers and then moving those individuals from like that raw kind of general list to a buyer's list. Because once you get that buyer's list, you can then go ahead and proceed to sell to them mid-ticket offers, higher ticket offers. You can talk to those individuals a little bit differently because they've already raised their hand and said, hey, I want to learn more about this subject matter. And you can tell that they're more serious than the typical freebie seeker that's just opting in to kind of figure out what they can learn for free. They are more serious. And again, you can talk to those individuals. You can give some more value to those individuals. And so that in turn is going to end up making you a lot more money on the back end. So if we were to sum all this up in a couple sentences now, what you really want to be doing if you want to generate a couple $100s a day with email marketing, you got to have a great front end in terms of your squeeze page that's converting. You also want to be having good responsive traffic that you can rely on, traffic that you can tap into at any given time, and traffic that actually converts. And then the third thing is the offer. Make sure you guys, take a little bit of time to try to find a good offer, which is going to convert and actually make you sales and make you money, but make sure that the offer is quality. And if you can, get as big of the commission percentage as you actually can. And you can look for some of those offers within some of the networks, as well as some of these private products and affiliate programs that are out there. So if you guys are interested in the affiliate product that I am promoting now, that's generating me these mid-ticket offers that you saw earlier with the $354, I will leave that information in the description below for you guys to check out as well. It's a simple funnel that you can promote, but it brings a lot of value and you get the lion's share of the affiliate commission, which I'm sure you guys will like. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, join the family, and I'll see you guys real soon in the next video.